In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes, ensuring your presentation not only shines on the screen, but also supports you, the presenter, with key points and insights you won't want to forget during your delivery. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a classroom lecture, or any presentation scenario, mastering the use of speaker notes in PowerPoint can significantly enhance your delivery and confidence. So let's dive right in. First, we need to get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. Go ahead and open the Microsoft PowerPoint application. Once you launch PowerPoint, you're greeted with various options, such as starting a new presentation or opening an existing one. For today's tutorial, we're going to be working with an already existing presentation. So, locate and click on Open, which might be found on the left-hand side of the screen or within the File tab at the top, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Navigate through your folders and select the PowerPoint presentation file you wish to work with. After opening your file, you'll find yourself on the main editing screen of PowerPoint, where all the magic happens. Here you can see your slides in the slide pane on the left side, and the currently selected slide enlarged in the center for editing. Now let's get to the part where we add speaker notes. Look towards the bottom of your PowerPoint window. There's a section that says, "Click to add notes." This is subtly tucked away, but unlocks a vast potential for adding depth to your slides without overcrowding them. Click on this area and you'll see a cursor appears inviting you to type. As you click to add notes, consider what key points, data, statistics, or anecdotes would enhance each slide and support your delivery. These notes aren't visible to your audience during the presentation. They are solely for your eyes, which makes them an essential tool for preparation. You can either type your notes directly into this area or paste text from another source. This is particularly handy if you've scripted your presentation or have detailed data to reference while speaking. Now you might be wondering, how long can these notes be? The beautiful thing is there's no limit. The notes area in PowerPoint expands to accommodate whatever length of text you need, from a simple bullet point to detailed paragraphs. However, remember, the purpose of these notes is to serve as cues or reminders. You don't want to end up simply reading your presentation off the screen. As you proceed through your presentation, adding notes to each slide, I want to share a couple of tips. 1. Asterisk asterisk. Keep it concise, asterisk asterisk. While there's no limit to how much you can write, keeping your notes brief and to the point can help prevent you from simply reading your presentation verbatim, which can disengage your audience. 2. Asterisk asterisk, use bullet points. Asterisk asterisk. Formatting your notes in bullet points can make them easier to glance at and remember during your presentation. This format helps in quickly picking out key items without losing your place. 3. Asterisk asterisk. Practice with your notes. Asterisk asterisk. After adding speaker notes, take the time to rehearse your presentation using the presenter view in PowerPoint. This view shows you the current slide, your next slide, and your notes for the current slide, allowing you to familiarize yourself with your cues and timing. To wrap this up, adding speaker notes in PowerPoint is a straightforward but powerful way to enhance your presentations. By following the steps we discussed today, opening your PowerPoint presentation, navigating to the slide you wish to add notes to, clicking the Click to Add Notes area, and typing or pasting your planned remarks, you equip yourself with a discreet but effective prompt that can make the difference between a good presentation and a great one. Remember, the best presentations are those that are well prepared, and by utilizing speaker notes, you're one step closer to delivering your message with confidence and clarity. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much more impactful your presentations can be with just a few simple notes to guide you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to practice, prepare, and keep honing your presentation skills.